It's the most excitement my YouTube channel's seen them.
Oh, yeah.
And we made it home safely. Actually, pretty big load. If you don't have one of them things, guys, buy one. She said, you should video this. I've been reinforcing that crane for 6 years.
I hear you.
I've got it reinforced with a Harbor Freight ratchet strap.
That's all it needs.
That's all it needs. I don't know if it's gonna get that one in there or not.
It's coming.
You got it off the ground.
Right now, it's going.
It's the most excitement my YouTube channel's seen them.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
That's awesome. It's clearing.
that's good, Jesse. Too hot.
Let it
Put
down.
it off a little bit. Careful now.
Here we go. It's gonna go.
A little bit.
Oh! It's going.
And that's how you do it. That's real backyard logging. Probably a truckload of that left, but it ain't on the overloads nowhere near it. There might be a ton there. I have had 2 ton on that truck before, but we tore the bump stops plumb off of it when I done it. And they're up here looking. Evidently we're gonna clear cut this hill, at least back to the big timber. Anyway, everybody have a good one.